So that right there is the new 14-inch mattress by Napsie. Very impressed. I'm going to show you the unraveling, the unboxing here in a little bit. But let me hit some of the highlights before I do that, and I'll tell you a little story along the way. So this is my son's room. We have a 10 or 12-inch mattress, so this one rides a little bit higher. I like the fact that it kind of makes the bed look a little bit bigger, but the highlights are it does have a cooling topper to it. It's like a blue layer, and it's underneath this, what they call Tencel. Just read about that. Really kind of cool. I'm still kind of getting my head wrapped around it, but the main thing is it's comfortable. So the night that we got it, I laid it out because years ago I got our first expandable mattress from another brand, another company, and we went to sleep on it that very first night, and both of us woke up with a headache. It was not good because it was letting off lots of gases and stuff, like fumes. Didn't know you were supposed to like let it have an hour or 24 or 72 hours. But this one did not seem to be the case. It says give it 24 hours or more. I felt like it was up and good in like 10 minutes. So anyway, that night, the very first night, when it was set up just in our living room, my daughter at bedtime, without us knowing it, she comes down. She has hip and back issues, athlete, that kind of thing. And she came down and slept on it because she was so curious, and she woke up and said it was a wonderful night's sleep. So anyway, that was some good news. All right, but this is my son's room. Highlights, the cooling thing is cool, but also the 14-inch is really a plus, and they just say it's comfortable. So let me show it to you a little closer, and I'll hit some more highlights along the way, but very nice. This is really good, and it's about 60% less than the other expandable mattress, and yet I don't think it's any worse or better. It's really good quality. I like it. So, all right, let's check it out.
All right, here it is. Let's get up close first. This is the side shot, but I want to show you this Tencel cover. I've done a little research since. Really smooth, but what sets it apart is it's made from eucalyptus wood pulp, which makes it ultra soft, breathable, moisture wicking. It's just all about keeping you cool and comfortable. I really like it, and as you can see, it's soft on top, rebounds pretty quickly, so therefore it's pretty firm. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, this is like a 7.5, which is perfect for me. I'm a side sleeper and a back sleeper. Double zipper all the way around. That's easy to access, so you can take that cover off and clean it. And then watch here. This is the fit. This is a queen size, and watch how close it is to this queen size bed. Just a perfect fit. Snaps right in. Really, really good sizing. Okay, now, back sleeper, side sleeper. Very rarely do I sleep on my stomach, but as I do lay on this on my stomach, it's soft, but it's actually quite comfortable too. So if you're always a stomach sleeper, then maybe go with the soft one, but otherwise I would go firm. All right, this is the CertiPUR-US. In other words, all the foam is kind of guaranteed and certified and tested to be chemical free and safe for people, and all the junk they've kept out of it. And so that actually is a much bigger deal than sometimes people let on, because your face is right down into that, you're breathing that. So any kind of mattress you're gonna get, you wanna make sure it is like gone through certification processes, and this one has. All right, real quickly, just to end up here, I'm gonna unravel it and like let you see the whole process from the very beginning. Let me just tell you this, I did get this for free. I have a friend who sent it to me, and we've done work before, and so I'm not getting paid for this review, but I am getting a free mattress out of it, so I wanted you to know that. That said, I'm a back sleeper and a side sleeper, and I really like this mattress. I think it's good.